Autoregressive distributed lag, big ADL model, a linear regression model in which the time series variable, big Y sub t, is expressed as a function of lags of big Y sub t and of another variable, big X sub t. The model is denoted big ADL of P and Q, where P denotes the number of lags of big Y sub t, and Q denotes the number of lags of big X sub t. Average causal effect, the population average of the individual causal effects in a heterogeneous population, also called the average treatment effect. Average treatment effect, see average causal effect. Balanced panel, a panel data set with no missing observations. That is, the variables are observed for each entity and each time period. Base specification, a baseline or benchmark regression specification that includes a set of regressors chosen using a combination of expert judgment, economic theory, and knowledge of how the data were collected. Bayes information criterion, big BIC information criterion. Bayes rule, the conditional probability of big Y given big X is the conditional probability of big X given big Y times the relative marginal probabilities of big Y and big X. Bernoulli's distribution, the probability distribution of a Bernoulli random variable. Bernoulli random variable, a random variable that takes on one of two values, 0 and 1, also known as a binary random variable. Best linear unbiased estimator, big BLUE, an estimator that has the smallest variance of any estimator that is a linear function of the sample values big Y and is unbiased. Under the Gauss-Markov conditions, the ordinary least squares estimator is the best linear unbiased estimator of the regression coefficients conditional on the values of the regressors. Bias, the expected value of the difference between an estimator and the parameter that it is estimating. If mu hat sub big Y is an estimator of mu sub big Y, then the bias of mu hat sub big Y is big E of mu hat sub Y minus mu sub big Y. Again, that line is if mu hat sub big Y is an estimator of mu sub big Y, then the bias of mu hat sub big Y is big E of mu hat sub Y, close parentheses, because the O of is in parentheses, minus mu sub big Y. Big BIC information criterion.